Today I'm going to show you how to change the needle on the reliable 5500 SD sewing machine. We recommend you use a quality needle to sew with, as the Gross Beckard, which is supplied with the sewing machine. So before changing the needle, make sure the machine is turned off. So to remove the needle, you need to loosen the needle bar screw, which is turning counterclockwise to the left, and just bring the needle down. So on the needle, there's a long groove coming down one side. When you load the needle in the machine, that long groove goes to the left. So on this side of the needle, you can see a cutout which is called the scarf. The scarf faces to the right side when you load it into the needle bar. So when you insert the needle, make sure you have the scarf pointing to the right and the long groove pointing to the left. Now turn the screw clockwise. Do not over tighten the screw. You really don't have to tighten it super hard, just snug to hold the needle in.